Hey, today I wanted to take a quick trip to Aldi to see what they have in for home decor, new items for this spring and summer season. When I first walked in, they had this cute little greenhouse right here. So if you have a green thumb, but you don't have the space for it, you can grab you one of these right here, only $50, and it's a big size. I'm assuming because it says walk in. So then they had this cute little hammock right here with a little boho vibe to it, $25 for this. And it's not a regular hammock, it's a chair. So it's looked really cute with the neutral colors and stuff. And then it comes in that little bag. So I'm assuming it's portable. You can take it from place to place. This little wooden plant stand right here, it didn't have a tag on it because it was a bit messy and Aldi today. But I'm assuming it stands kind of tall. These I wanted to show you just because it was lit up. So these are the little faux lights. So you could just see how to look. That little spring sign there was about $10 for that one right there. This little bar cart I thought was cute, $90 for this, and it has the little things to hold the glasses, to hold the bottles. It has the little wheels on it, and it has like that wicker look to it. This little sand station for your kids to play in, $40 for that. So it's a sand table. I'm wondering if you could use it like a water table too. It's like a little crab, what have you, and stuff. They had a bunch of little kid items at Aldi today. So they had chalk, they had bubbles, all kind of different stuff. This little wheelbarrow right here, $35 for that one right there. And you can see that the kids are like gardening in it and stuff like that. But yeah, just a cute little wheelbarrow for a kid. A lot more little toys. Today at Aldi, they had a lot of, well, this Aldi, they had a lot of toys in. It was a little bit unorganized, but I did find some good things. This little garden set for the kids right here. So it comes in this cute little bag right here. And then they'll have all the little tools and stuff so the kids can help you outside this spring and this summer if your kids are into garden, if you're into gardening. This little pop-up soccer thing right here. So it comes with two soccer goals, $20. So you can take out and practice soccer, what have you. This right here, the little sandals, so they have them in pink and they have them in blue for the kids, and they look like this. And again, they have them in pink and blue. This little plant holder right here, so it's like a ceramic. It has the geometric shape, and then you can hold it. It's like a kind of a boho feel. They had some string lights. These I thought were pretty, so you can see how they look, and I think they look pretty outside. This is a shepherd's hook, so for your plants outside. So you can grab that. That wasn't too much. I think that was like $10 for that right there. This little candle right here. So it's like a flat kind of candle, but it has like 5 wicks on it. And that was like $10. This basket right here, $20. So it was tall. It was hard to get out. But yeah, so it's like a wicker basket. You might want to grab that. That was cool. This right here, it says $13 for the set, I believe. So I didn't see the set itself, but they had that other clear one there, and then it looked like it has latch tops to it. So if you're looking for some food storage options, Aldi has it. This little banana holder right here, it came in black and white at my Aldi, or the one I went to today. So $13 for that. You can hang your bananas. You could put other fruit in there. So if you're looking for a different kind of fruit bowl right now, you might want to trip over to Aldi and grab that. Oh wait, it came in black, white, and silver. There was a sofa there too. These drawer organizers they had, and then these I thought were nice. So they're like big glass canisters with the wooden top. I think the big one was $17. I can't say for sure, but I think the big one was $17, and that'll look nice on the counter. And then they have other food storage combinations too that you can grab. This drawer holder I thought was cool. So the little bamboo drawer holder, again, didn't have a tag, but I'm imagining it doesn't cost that much. And then they had another version of it too, and that one had like little slots so that you can organize the things differently. These wood salad bowls right here, $19 for that one. So they have that one, and then they have the other salad bowl type shape right there. Both of those were nice, and they came like in the nice wood tones. Socks, $4.55, for the pack of socks for the kids. You get like 6 pair, and they had a bunch of different styles and prints in those right now. Little critters, I know they're not a big thing, but $9. My kid used to love those. She used to have all this stuff. This little bag right here, so this would make a good weekender bag. I don't know. So it was like a pretty blue, little polka dots on it. I thought that was nice, and it was a good size. So if you're looking for a weekender bag, you might want to head over to Aldi and pick that up. These I've seen before, but I just think they're cute. $9 for these, the little mini waffle makers. And probably if you go on TikTok, you could make a bunch of other stuff with these too. You can find a bunch of different ways to use that, and only $9. These I thought were cute. So it's like the hammered glass. They have the pitcher, like the for the water or the drinks or whatever. $5, and then they have the glass set too, so you can get a set of the glasses, and you have the hammered pitcher and the hammered glasses, and just have the cute little set for outside. An inflatable bed, $50 for that. They had I was just trying to go through all the things and find some good stuff, because it was like hard to decipher what was today. But these pans I think are so cute. The top is flat, so most of the time the pot is like the top is flat, but it's like a cute kind of flat. So it's $28 for the big one, and then they have the smaller saucer too. And then like the handle is like, I don't know, it's just the way, because sometimes the top is kind of domed, so I thought that was pretty. And it's in the pretty spring colors too. The glass mixing sets, they have these little sneakers right here for $9. So they have them in straight. Then they had this version right here. So if you're looking for a little toss and go pair of sneakers, like canvas sneakers, they had those right there. They have this table. It wasn't displayed, but it was on sale, $30 off. So you get it for $100 for that right there. This right here, so a pergola, a gazebo, whatever you call it, what have you, they had that right there. They had a few left in that. And then these outdoor rugs right here for $50. They were nice, neutral. They'll fit in with a lot of different spaces. So yeah, Aldi had a few good things in today, and I was able to find them throughout all the chaos.